Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to Balghari Kitchen. You're watching my YouTube channel, Balghari Kitchen. If you not yet subscribe Balghari Kitchen, subscribe Balghari Kitchen. Share to friends and family. And thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. In today's episode, I bring another super duper recipe, which is Sultan Ibrahim fish, crispy fried. So I'm going to show you this recipe in Balghari Kitchen, how to make this one. Let me take you to my kitchen where I prepared some ingredients for this recipe. Let me show you. Here I have cut already fish into one fish into three pieces, some grated ginger, corn flour, chopped garlic, crushed black pepper, salt, some turmeric powder, and some lemon juice. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen. First of all, I'm going to marinate this one fish. Take one bowl, add your fish all together, add the lemon juice like this, mix together all, add the ginger, garlic, some turmeric powder, not too much, just to give a color, some salt, some crushed black pepper. Mix together all, so all mix in a nice way. Then I'm going to add corn flour, which make it crispy. Just put some corn flour more, mix nicely. And I'm going to fry this one, deep fry. Make sure you have hot oil ready. So I keep already some oil hot while it's marinated. Our oil will be hot. Then we are going to fry this one directly. You can see the all fish coated with the flour. It will keep crisp. So look at this way. So our fish is almost ready. So here in pan I have already keep oil to make it hot. Let me check it's hot or not. Let's just drop. Not yet hot. Take a few minutes to make it hot. So viewers, our oil is almost hot. I'm going to fry now using tongue. I'm going to fry. Let's fry some. Let them fry until golden brown, and then we're going to take out. It's coming crispy. So then other side and keep frying until it's golden brown. Then it's become crispy. So our fish is ready. I'm going to dish out using tongue. Spin here all. The excess oil will go down. Very nice color. Look at this way. So keep for a few minutes so the oil will go down, and then I'm going to put on the plate. Let's dish out our fish, crispy fish. Look at this fish. Very some lemon on the side, some vegetables, some carrot on the side, some slice of lemon, and some spring onion. Look at this delicious fried fish ready. I'm going to taste now. So viewers, our fried fish is ready. I'm going to serve this one with some sauce I prepare already. This with onion, soya sauce, and salt, pepper. So let's see the crispy fish. Look at this, crispy. Oh, really hot. Oh, very hot. Mmm. Very crispy and crunchy. Very delicious. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen. Subscribe Balghari Kitchen. Share to friends and family. And don't forget to give your beautiful comment in comment section for upcoming videos. Stay tuned, Balghari Kitchen. Thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. Ta-ta.